काडटलो कोरांनी एक स्टेटमेंट काडटलो तूं म्हाका सांग वेर विल इट स्टॉप वी वॉन्ट टू keep peace and order, right? Law and order, and that's why we are all come to the court. And to do that, you have to arrest him.
Still has continue असा protest all over Goa.
Protest कितकोन कंटिन्यू जावपाना हाल्या लोकांक कळटलो आतां लोकांक होवपा आहा न्हू ते अरेस्ट कोतले म्हणून तेज लागून लोकांक कोर्टाचे ऑर्डरार रावता एंड इट इज नॉट की हिंगाचो लोक एक जाग्याचो तुजोय तुगेले मारगांव टू अंजुना टू ओल्ड गोवा टू पोंडा सगळे कोणी कंप्लेन आहाय तेजे सो हे मनशान एक हेज्या पयलीं केन्ना एशें कोन्न जालें जाल्यार तुमी म्हाका सांगे गोंयांत जाला हांवें जाल्यार पळयलें ना एशें कोन्न जालें तें कोण एक मनशान मुळे आनी एशें कोन्न जालें तें
तुम्ही मागता की हे जे गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन ज्या प्रमाणे चार दीस मायज लागले अजून पर्यंत तेजो
5 दीस
मायज जाला अजून पर्यंत मेळोंक ना आनी त्या भायर आतां हियरिंगूय चालू आहा 5 कळटले वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू से ऑन दीस
आय एम होपफुल ऑर्डर बोर येतो म्हणून वन स्टेप एट अ टायम बट एवरीबडी हॅज इन्सिस्टेड दॅट अरेस्ट इज अ मस्ट कित्याक तो हाल आनी एक स्टेटमेंट म्हणटलो फॉर आनी एक स्टेटमेंट मागीर खूंय बंद जातो लायक लॉजिकल एंड कितें आहा हेका एक मनीस हांवें फर्स्ट टायम म्हणला दॅट दीस इज प्रॉब्ली द थर्ड और फोर्थ टायम सो ही इज अ प्रोफेसर एंड यू नो ही इज हेल्ड व्हडले पोस्ट with great posts come greater responsibility. Our tongue, you know, is the biggest weapon. We have to use it wisely and we cannot use it to spread hatred. So ऐसा मुंशा तरी warning दिना आणि punishment ना जाल्यार कितको न्हू हाल कोण responsible हाल हांको जाल्यार
Even the Prime Minister have tweeted on this issue.
I haven't seen it yet.
That it was sad to know about the harmony of getting destroyed. So what do you have to say now? This has come also internationally. The name is getting spoiled.
See, religion is very sacred, okay? And we all celebrate, we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, we celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Eid. I'll go and I'll eat biryani at my friend's place. You all will come for Christmas, you'll have the piece of cake. I'll go for Ganesh Chaturthi, I'll have whatever, Nyoryo, Chakryo, Kitaya. So there is a lot of unity among us which is not bound by religion. We are all, man-made. So I feel respect is most important. हांव तुमगे धर्माचे कोण उलयना, तूं आमगे धर्माचे कोण उलयना. Why you should allow somebody धर्माचे comment करपाक?
Sorry.
Allow करूं श्री
तुम्ही आज इंटरव्हेन्शन ऍप्लिकेशन फायल केलं ना किती आर्ग्युमेंट आज
आर्ग्युमेंट एकदम बरो केलो लॉयरानो ताणें सांगिलां दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट टायम हे तिसरे पावटी केलें तेणी तिसरे चवथे पावटी आनी आज पासून ते केन्ना अरेस्टू केलें ना ते केन्ना वॉर्नूय केलें ना तो येदोळ प्रोफेसर येदोळ तो ही वॉज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ RSS सो वेन यू हॅव सच ग्रेट पोस्ट व्हडली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मरे ती कोणाच्यान कोणालें धर्म इम्पोज करपा जायना तूं मांदिता बरें आहा तूं मांद ना ओगराव बट दुसऱ्या लोकांगे तुवें सेंटिमेंट्स हेट्रडा हें करपा जायना तूं म्हाका खाली सांगाय आज पासून गोंयां एसो अनरेस्ट जाला एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम द टायम आय एम बॉर्न आय एम नॉट सीन एनीथिंग लायक दॅट जाल बाबा एशें कोन्न आनी इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन प्लेस मारगांव पोंडा ओल्ड गोवा अंजुना यू नेम इट आनी लोक एकठांय जाले आख्खो लोक बायसला सो लोकांगे सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियरान जायत्यो मिलाग्र केलो आहा आनी लोकांगे जायत पावडता आहा आनी आख्खो संवसारा लोक येवपा आहा आतां आनी हो म्हयनो कितें ऑक्टोबर आनी येतल्या म्हयन्या एक्सपोजिशन सो एशें कोन्न हेट्रेड स्प्रेड कोन्न आमी खूंय आतां इंडिया इज गोईंग इकनॉमिकली so much farther and further and why are we going back with all these fights and creating this animosity म्हाका समजी काय मेळना we have to move forward and to move forward we have to take everybody together we can't say tu esolo tu tesolo tu mak naka esko zata we live in a country which is I always say very diverse in nature food culture religion language but yet we are united and we are all devan kelo munshami ekurogot and ekumas so we can't be differentiating so such people you have to arrest him and you have to warn him
आता 5 पर्यंत तुमकां
एक week होतो न्ही
5
let us hope for the best
थँक्यू
थँक्यू
thank you
brief करून
See, we have argued today that he has not complied with the notice that is issued to him. And दोन notice issue केले. आता तेगे आदोगादा बुडप कितें के notice issue केले. Basically तेगे आदोगादा argued होता के त्याक arrest करपाक सोदताय बट त्याक notice issue केले. आता जेन्ना तुका एक notice issue जाता, you have to comply with it. तुवें ते comply केले. So like there is no question of arresting you. So this is just trying to manipulate the court. तेव्हा चोय आम हो अरेस्ट करपाक सोदताय आनी आपण एब्सकॉन्डिंग ना तूं एब्सकॉन्डिंग ना जाल्यार तूं पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर वचपाक कित्याक भिरांत सी इट इज अ क्लियर कट पोजिशन दॅट द ऑफेन्स इज पनिशेबल विथ इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर लेस दॅन 3 years. आतां तुका जेन्ना तूं जाणा की आपले अरेस्ट करपाक शकनाय जाल्यार तूं कित्याक लिपोवन रावता एंड सेकंडली हीज कस्टोडियल इंटरोगेशन विल बी रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज he is making the statements one after the other. He might be having some source of information. That source needs to be found out. That is the prerogative. In the end, it is the prerogative of the IO, the investigating officer. But it is very important that he comes with clean hands. When he comes to the court, he comes with clean hands. He comes. So in 2022, he has made a statement. My client Chachil Alamau himself had filed a complaint with that regard. There was no police action that was taken. Thereafter, again, he went on to Our Lady of Health at Sankwal, wherein again he said, no, this is not a church, this is a temple. Now, third time he has come up again with saying that, no, this is not the body of Saint Francis Xavier. So, it looks like he is pointing this thing towards one particular religion and he wants to create communal disharmony between, which is always maintained by every Goan in Goa. Every Goan believes, if he is a Hore Goenkar Zilla, he believes that we are one. Everyone is one. So, we are expecting for judgment in our favor, but if not, as per whatever instructions I get from my colleague, we might have to go to the High Court to challenge. If it is allowed, if the bail is granted, then we might challenge that order. कितक्या जाणांनी घातला सध्या 4 जाणांक घ्यायला one is Chachil Alamau, one is Warren Alamau, another one I think with Kolba police station only, I don't know the name, and the fourth one is basically the complainant, that is Cruz. Okay.
So he has also filed for interview. So all four of us have argued. So now whatever judgment will come at 5 o'clock, and we will know what exactly the court is.
Thank you.
So your name?